morning everyone. My name is Fernando Nardi. I am an assistant professor at the University for Foreigners of Perugia and I am the director of the Water Resource Research and Documentation Center, the Warredoc.
Hello everybody, my name is Francisco Peña. I originally come from Mexico. I'm a research associate of the Warredoc and my main research areas are GIS analytics and water modeling for flood risk assessments.
In fact, this is what we mainly do at the Warredoc. We develop research and advanced training for sustainable development, water and environmental management analysis, making extensive use of geographic information system, GIS, and ICT tools for resilient urban planning. And one of the core activities of our university is the involvement and training of international students and young researchers like Francisco that came to Mexico only a few months ago and is now part of the Warredoc team. It is my pleasure today to thank and welcome our new friends and colleagues Eduardo and Niels, Dr. Diaz, Dr. Van Manen from the Spatial Economics Department of VU Amsterdam. And we also thank and welcome all the students and young participants that are today in Amsterdam working on this GIS and digital crowd mapping effort.
Yeah, in fact, last week we just finished the first crowd mapping and digital mapping workshop in Perugia, and the response from all assistants was unbelievable. We received more than 130 applications from students, professionals and academics from all Italy, and participants with little or no GIS training were able to produce digital maps of the 51 Italian UNESCO heritage sites. This was possible thanks for the volunteering and very active support of 12 highly motivated tutors. In fact, we also received a huge response from the international audience. Faculties, students, professors and professionals were very interested in the subject, and this is motivating us to continue these efforts and extend it to the international GIS community, so they will be able to replicate this event worldwide.
Absolutely, this is a key factor that Francisco mentioning about the success of the event in Perugia. At the local level, what will happen in Perugia is the interaction of experts like Francisco and also the other team member of the Warredoc that supporting the event, Antonio Annis, the other research associate, with only a small group of talented and experts in GIS, with the involvement of volunteering, GIS and analysts. They were not experts, but were trained and supervised by Francisco and Antonio to coordinate a very big group of people, more than 100 people with no prior GIS knowledge, were able to produce digital maps if no time. In only one day of full case study development, we're able to produce 51 case studies for mapping the Italian UNESCO natural and cultural heritage sites. So basically GIS education, sharing knowledge, open geospatial data, sustainable development and cultural heritage preservation were the key goals. The involvement of all these young people towards the use of the digital media and mainly GIS for producing maps to map natural and cultural heritage sites, bringing the user experience into the map. That was one of the key innovation points of this project. So the use of social media, from Twitter, from Instagram, pictures, brought to map the user experience, how people really think and interact with the UNESCO sites. So this is what is the main goal of the event, and we're really happy to share with you all the knowledge, organization, and the training material we develop for our project so that you can customize, you can tailor it to your needs. And we're really happy and we do look forward to receiving the outcomes of your workshop, because the final results will be published by October 2016 in a shared digital map that we are preparing, and we will be published with the patronage of the UNESCO Water Assessment Program that will also bring all the institutions, and there will be different Italian, local, regional, national, international institutions coordinating and working with us to produce all this shared GIS effort. So we wish you, Dr. Diaz and Dr. Van Manen, Eduardo and Niels, good luck with your work. All the students really had a lot of fun with GIS, and we'll talk to you very soon. Bye.
Bye.